All right, guys, this is going to be a one problem video because tomorrow we're doing one kind of problem. We're going to stretch out what we did today with the multiplication. So hang in there, sit tight, and watch this one. What we're going to do is we're going to do this right here. Evaluate that expression. It says matrix A times matrix B plus C. So what I'm going to do first is do what's in my parentheses. I'm going to do matrix B plus C. So B plus C, and we added the other day, is I'm just going to add straight across. Be -2, 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 and -3 is -2, and -2 and -1 is -3. That's my matrix B plus C. All I'm going to do with that is multiply it by matrix A because that's what it asked me to do. Now matrix A was 4, -1, 2, 3, -2, 0 to 2, 0, times -2, 4, -2, -3. Now, hopefully I'm allowed to do it. This one was a 3 by 2. This one is a 2 by 3, sorry, 2 by 2, which means I can do it because the 2's are the same. My answer is going to be a 3 by 2. So I'm going to pull this up just a little bit and go ahead and draw my 3 by 2 down here, which is the same size as the one at the beginning. And I'm going to cross down here, so here it goes. I'm going to cross the first row, down the first column. I'll get 4 times -2, which is -8. 3 times -2 is -6. Going to add those together in just a second. I'm still going across the first row, but going down the second column. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times -3 is -9. Now I'm doing a second row, first column. -1 times -2. -2 times -2. Hope you're following along. I'm going kind of fast, but we did this today, so I'm hoping it's nothing but review. And now I'm going second row, second column. -1 times 4 is -4. -2 times -3 is +6. Finally, last row, I'm going to do this row times this column, then this row times the last column. So 2 times -2 is -4. 0 times anything is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times anything is 0. So finally, end up with an answer here, and it's going to be -14, 7, 6, 2, -4, 8. A lot of work, but got there, and that's the kind of thing you're going to see in class tomorrow. There's going to be a whole lot of different operations to do. Sometimes you add first, sometimes you distribute, sometimes you multiply two things and then add. So got to make sure you were good with the addition tomorrow so that the multiplication and the process. And if you're not, make sure you get that fixed tomorrow because we'll be doing a bunch of them. So I'll see you then. You're welcome for the short video.